This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you should probably have the Google Drive application pre-downloaded and pre-installed with the system. So launch it. If you do not have it, just get it for free from the Play Store. Then you gotta sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the bottom right corner of your screen you should have the plus icon, which did not appear in my case for some very mysterious reason. So, well, what can you do, I guess? I'll just relaunch or reboot the app and see if that will fix the issue. So yep, look for this icon, tap on it, go for the scan option, grant Drive the app permission, and then take a picture of whatever real-life document you wanted to transform into a digital PDF file. So take a good photo of your document, then see the result, decide whether you are satisfied with it or not. Then at this menu over here you can crop the image to your liking, so perhaps trim off the extra edges that you've picked up while taking a photo, since not every photo is perfect. And this method fortunately allows a little place for mistakes. So crop your photo. That's the preview of the document that you will result with. So make sure that you like it and you're satisfied with with the result, and then just hit that save button. In here you can rename the document and change the Google account and Drive folder that it will be saved to. Then hit that save button once again, wait for the file to get uploaded to your Drive, obviously, and here is your result. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.